Hi, I'm Yashwant. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Freelancing is undoubtedly one of the popular way of making money online using our skills. But did you know there are some freelancing skills or gigs I can say which requires no skills and zero knowledge but still pays you high. In this video, I will share 10 freelancing gigs or freelancing skills which pays you high without the requirement of any skill in platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, Freelancer, People Per Hour, etc. So let's see the video. The first skill that pays you high but you don't need so much of skill is YouTube keyword research. Of course, there are tremendous number of YouTubers which are growing every day, so you can see there are a lot of YouTubers in YouTube. So everyone needs keyword research, because if you ask me what keyword research is all about which title you should put to your video or which keyword you need to use in your video so that you will get maximum organic reach. So it is something that every YouTuber needs. So there are YouTubers where like they will upload a video every single day, so they need keyword research. Not every YouTuber will have so much time on researching on their own, so this is one of the popular gig you will find in many freelancing platforms. So what you need to do is you need to research on what are the trending keywords on that particular topic or trending titles on that particular topic, and you need to give that list to that particular YouTuber also, so that you will earn a lot. So simply how to do is like you need to search on Google and YouTube using a particular keyword that a particular YouTuber is going to make a video on, and you will find lot of keywords and lot of titles there. So you need to collect that and you need to form a list and you need to give that to the YouTuber. So it is simple, right? So this is one of the most popular freelancing skill, because of course every brand and every YouTuber nowadays is looking for someone who can do this keyword research. And the second skill that pays you high which don't require so much of knowledge is virtual assistant. So virtual assistant is like you will be an assistant to a particular influencer or a particular, I can say, content creator, let's suppose. So because there are many influencers out there, they need someone who can assist them in basic tasks like replying to their emails, answering their phone calls, and I can say taking care of collaborations and sponsorships, etc. So they will hire some people who have some decent knowledge on understanding internet and social media. That's it. If you are someone who is active on social media, and if you know how to, I can say, reply to emails and all the stuff, all those basic stuff, then ultimately you will be hired as a virtual assistant, and virtual assistant will also be paid high, so by many freelancers. So you can find many such gigs on freelancing platforms like Fiverr easily. And the third skill which pays you high without the requirement of so much knowledge is being a transcriber. So transcribing is all about you convert I can say voice in a video to a text, or I can say you can also translate the text from one language to another language. If you are someone who can understand language like English, have good listening skills so that you can hear a voice in a video and you can convert that into a text, then ultimately there are more chances that you will be hired as a transcriber. So it is a basic skill. You don't need so much of knowledge. You just need a good listening skill and a good writing skill. That's it. You can earn a lot as a transcriber. The fourth gig, or I can say fourth skill that pays you high, is website review and testing. So there are many websites who needs someone I can say to review their site or to test their site. So there are some platforms like user testing also, so which can offer these website testing services. But even in Fiverr, there are many brands and many individual who needs people to review their website, or I can say to test their website. If you search for website review and testing on platforms, on freelancing platforms, you will find lot of gigs there. And the other skill which pays you high is t-shirt design. So t-shirt design is all about like you need to create a design for t-shirt printing company. So if you can offer many designs, then ultimately will be paid high. So you don't need so much of, I can say, designing knowledge to just platform. You can use platforms like Canva and like Adobe Photoshop to create your own customized designs, and you can sell. If you can sell those designs to t-shirt printing platforms, then ultimately they will pay you high. So they are very costly and you can earn a lot. There is no limit for that. All you need is creativity. That's it. And the sixth skill that pays you high without requirement of much knowledge is in background removing. So background removing is very simple, right? So if someone gives you a picture, you need to remove the background. So it is very simple, but the reason why people hire as a freelancer to remove this background is it is a manual task, so it requires a lot of manual work. So not everyone will spend hours to remove, I can say, backgrounds of multiple pictures, so that they will hire some people who knows this. Of course it is an easy skill, everyone can do that. There are various online tools which can do this task. But yeah, instead of doing them by their own for thousands of pictures, they will hire freelancers so that you can remove the backgrounds, and you can give them. So it is very simple skill, and yeah, it pays you high. And the other skill that pays you high is ebook cover design. So nowadays, like, many were creating their own ebooks, or I can say own books. So if you can help them by designing the book cover, then ultimately you will be paid. So there are platforms like Fiverr which offers these services, because not everyone is a good designer. So people who are good in writing, they might not be good in designing, so they might need assistance of you to design their book cover. So if you are good in tools like Canva, then ultimately you can design a book cover according to the title, and you can give them. And the other skill, which is very simple, if you are someone who makes reels and all the stuff, so creating video intros or greetings, I can say. So video intros are very simple, so you don't need a lot of skills there. So just like if you're someone who always makes reels or YouTube shorts regularly, then ultimately you can do this. So someone will ask you to create intro for their YouTube channel, or to create intro for their particular brand, or someone will ask you to create, can say, marriage greeting cards, or can say video greeting cards. So it is easy for you if you are already someone who knows video editing. So it is one skill which don't require a lot of knowledge, but of course it pays you high. Other skill which pays you high without the requirement of much knowledge is online surveys. So people need many people to fill their form or to fill their survey. So if you are someone who can fill some surveys through freelancing gigs, then ultimately you will earn a lot. So if you can also help them by sharing that survey link to others and make others fill that form, then ultimately you can earn. So surveys are like, there are multiple kind of surveys, user survey or product survey, or I can say feedback surveys. There are multiple surveys. So if you can fill some surveys for them, you can also be paid. And the last skill that pays you high, but you don't need so much of knowledge, is promoting content on Quora and LinkedIn. So promoting, the reason why I'm telling only Quora and LinkedIn is because these are two platforms where you don't need lot of followers to make your post viral. So if the content is engaging and if it has more number of interactions, then ultimately it can go viral. So some brands need people who can promote their content on social media platforms like Quora and LinkedIn. Of course, promoting on platforms like Instagram and Facebook is not an easy task for everyone, because you need a lot of followers. But yeah, in LinkedIn or Quora, if you can post let's take an example of a Quora, if you can post an answer to some of the question, so which is also a promotion to other brand, then ultimately it may go viral if it has good content. Even it works for LinkedIn too. So if you post on LinkedIn and it is a good content, so it is something which is useful for others, then ultimately it may go viral. So it is something that pays you high, but you don't need so much of knowledge. These are the 10 gigs which pays you high with zero knowledge, I can say, and you don't need so much of skills. So thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please like, comment and share this video in your network. Also, if you are a new visitor to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.